Okay, it's HB9FXQ and I want to give you an update of my Play TCP, the port of RTL TCP for the SDRPlay. And I've got a working prototype now. So I've got the SDRPlay connected to a Raspberry Pi. And here I've got an SSH session to the Raspberry. So here's the usage of the command. It's basically the same like RTL TCP. And what's a bit different is the things about the gain. It's a bit complicated. Details are in the API specification. I've not implemented all details, but that would need to be improved. Yeah, for the moment it's switchable on start, and then the gain reduction remains to that flag. So in the end you have the options to enable the gain reduction, like the LNA, the RNL switch. So, okay, so on the Raspberry Pi I'm now gonna start Play TCP, and it listens on its local Ethernet interface. So okay, listening. And here I've got a Windows virtual machine with SDR console version 2. And yeah, let's see the definitions. Here is a RTL TCP connection to the address of the Raspberry Pi. And yeah, the thing about the sample rate, that's a bit stupid. It's not necessary to always run at that high sample rates, but I've not yet found a way to put in some custom values there. So I have to check again here. Even fine on Ethernet, but when you're on the wireless LAN, that's might be a bit too high. So anyway, let's start. When I press start, I go over to the SSH session. You see it's connecting, initializing by using the API. So, and let's turn up the sound a bit. There we go. We're on 40 here. Let's see the memories. Let's go to 20. The SDRPlay has gone through reinit, and that is due to the band change I've done. You can find the details in the SDRPlay API specifications. There's a frequency allocation table, and we jump around over these band borders. You have to reinitialize the device, but that's a sequence that runs below a second or so, maybe half a second. So yeah, let's jump over radio broadcast. Back to 40. No, now it's 40. Okay, it was 20, so 40 here. So runs fine. It's a really early prototype. There's much things to improve and to fix and to implement. But yeah, for now it's a working prototype. Raspberry Pi, SDRPlay, remote, and SDR console on the desktop. So stay tuned.